Okay, let's have fun with trig and cats. Today we're going to look at discovering how much an angle measures when we just get a couple of the sides. By the way, we've got rock band cats. Anyway, and behind us, I've got a cat in a Rambo outfit shooting a gun, riding a unicorn, shooting rainbows. How's that for cat fun? Wish I had a cat toy. Well, I guess I do. Fenway, he's not a cat toy, but he would like to be. Anyway, today what we're going to do is 3 steps with trig. The first part of the assignment, and this probably will look familiar because this is what we tried to do when we came back from spring break. Anyway, first thing we're going to do on the first 4 problems is we're just going to find simple ratios of the sine of A. That would be the opposite, 3, over the hypotenuse, 5. So in the first 4 problems, that's all you're going to do. Simple ratios, 3 over 5. Okay, now in part 2, we're going to do exactly what we did on the last half of Thursday's assignment, and that is where we have a cosine, and with your Texas Instruments, what you would hit is 0.61, then you would hit second function and cosine, and you should get 52.4. Now on your Casios, you're actually going to sit second function cosine, and it's going to give you a parentheses. Then you put 0.61, parenthesis, equal sign, and you should get the same darn answer. Cosine equals 52. And they're not 0.52, but 52 degrees with some change on the side. Now in part 3, we're going to combine all of our elements. You're going to find your sine of A, which would be 5 over 13. Gosh, I'm getting pretty good at this upside down writing. Then we'll divide 5 by 13. And we'll get 0.384. So we get then we find our decimal, 0.384. Then we're going to do the same thing we did over here in part 2. We're going to hit second function and sine, and we should get 22.6 degrees. Which is what that angle would equal. So we find out what we're dealing with, a sine. Then we find the decimal. Then we find the end part by using our second function. I know this is a lot to be doing in one exercise. So the first 4 problems are going to be simple. Just find your ratio. The second 4 problems are going to be take the decimal and then give me the angle. And in part 3, ratio, decimal, angle. We're putting the whole package together, just like a Rambo cat with a unicorn and a gun, shooting rainbows, taking over. I don't really know the meaning of this. Anyway, have a great day. Enjoy it. It's Monday.